Kayla Poe, internal medicine. I'm originally from Guernsey, Georgia. It's a small agricultural town in southeast Georgia. I went to undergrad at Georgia Southern University in Statesboro, where I got a biology degree. After that, I went to Mercer School of Medicine in Savannah, which is also where I finished my residency. I chose to become a physician for many reasons, but the biggest motivator, I would say, is my grandparents. They played an integral role in raising me. I got a little bit older, I noticed that my great-granddad wasn't acting quite right, and it turned out that he had a metastatic cancer. And it was very interesting watching him going from this carefree, busy-bodied gardener of a grandpa to someone who was laying on his hospice bed in the living room. It was a very poignant moment, I think, in my life. Internal medicine physician, or an internist, is mainly the jack of all trades where it comes to adult medicine, so we help manage chronic diseases and do preventative medicine. I met my husband my 4th year of medical school. We discovered that we really like cooking together. It's a great way to unwind from the day and to just kind of talk while you're doing something and reap the benefits of it later on. I'm also really excited about gardening. All of my grandparents have green thumbs and I'm very envious. I'm in the beginning stages of it, but I'm hoping to carry on the tradition of, planning and taking rest in the garden. And I think the favorite part of my job is my geriatric population. They are full of stories, full of life. They are just a privilege to know and get to take care of. I'm really excited about practicing in Pooler. There's such a diverse patient population there, which I'm really excited for. There's a lot of people who are locals, but there's a lot of people who are from out of town and from more rural parts of Georgia, which is where I'm from. I'm really looking forward to the opportunity to take care of them as well. SouthCoast Health, total wellness for life.